February 26, 2026. This wasn't just a snowstorm. This was a historic blizzard. What formed off the Carolina coast on February 22nd rapidly intensified into one of the most powerful winter storms in decades. By February 23rd, pressure dropped to hurricane-level strength, unleashing whiteout conditions across New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. Snow fell at over 2 inches per hour. Winds gusted near 100 miles per hour along the Massachusetts coast. More than 600,000 people lost power. Roads vanished. Flights were canceled nationwide. Entire cities shut down. And this storm turned deadly. At least 13 lives were lost across the Northeast due to crashes, exposure, and power outages. Coastal flooding and beach erosion caused millions, possibly billions, in damage. National Guard units were deployed. Travel bans were issued. Recovery is still ongoing. This storm is now being studied as one of the most intense blizzards of modern times. Winter weather doesn't need tornadoes to be catastrophic. For live updates, future storm tracking, and alerts, visit stormscapes.xyz. Stay safe.